Hi! Watch Bob change the kickstand on the Lectric 2.0.
Just an itty-bitty-ditty about a couple on the road, driving an RV, pulling a toad. No place special to roam, not looking for a home. Won't you come along with us? We are RPlaceTravels.
We had our first issue with the e-bikes. And the kickstand, this little pin's coming out. It's supposed to be riveted in the back, and apparently the rivet didn't hold or whatever, it broke loose. So we called Lectric, and they sent another one, a new one, right out. Came in the mail about a week later. The whole thing, as you can see, the rivet in the back is supposed to be riveted in, and this one obviously broke. So they sent the replacement out, and it's just a matter of taking these two bolts out, which I do, and then putting the old one in, back in, the new one in, back in. It's that quick, simple. And Lectric took care of it right away. Mind you, these bikes are what, 2 months old. So far, that's our only real issue with the e-bikes. That's our only issue. So it's just a matter of tightening them up. Torque it right there. Torque it right there. There you go. New kickstand. Perfect match. Done.